All right, the other thing is the science. The other thing is the science. You keep saying, wait for the science, wait for the science. The DNR does a little bit of science, independent scientists do a little science, you put them down. We say there's pyrite up there that'll cause sulfides, you say no. We say there's a bestiform crystalline rock up there, you say no. We say it's filled with wetlands, you say no. When will you present science to the public?
When the science has been gathered and analyzed. Now, what we said
When?
was, first off, we've never said there wasn't pyrite. We said that we
It's
have
an
to examine,
oxide.
define the pyrite. We said it's an oxide deposit, and the predominant feature of it is oxide and iron. We have also said that as important as a sulfide is, and pyrite is, my understanding, pyrite is just a sign that a sulfide may be there.
So when will you present the science?
And then you need to know the buffering capacity of the
I
rock around
understand,
it,
when will
the
you
leachate
present
capacity.
it? I've heard this.
We have to present that
What's
in
the
order
timeline?
to, in order to apply for a permit.
Yeah.
I, you know, you've asked us to respect your ability to speak, I'd ask yours. In order to apply for a permit, we have to file an environmental impact report. The environmental impact report has to have the result of all of that science that we have gathered, core sampling, kinetics,
yeah.
all the different testing that has to be
And
done.
when will that be?
In order to apply for a permit, which means that starts the permitting process. The permitting process has to go, or will go.
Because we do understand that the bulk
bulk-
sampling.
You want
is
the
not-
answer?
is
You want
not
the answer or
science.
not?
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll finish it.
Once we apply for a permit, the state has 420 days, plus 60 days, plus 60 days probably is how it would be, to examine it. That means that that information is in the public purview on the DNR's website for about a year
So
and a
is
half.
that when you apply for the permit, or
That's
is that when you get the permit?
We apply for a permit.
Apply for the permit.
So
In
you're
order to
saying
apply for the
you will
permit-
present the science when you apply for the permit?
We have to, we can't apply for a permit without the science. We have to go to the DNR and we say, here's the science, which is probably thousands and thousands of pages.
All right,
And we submit that.
okay.
The public has that for a good, for almost a year and a half.
So the science will come when you apply for a permit.